everybody. I know I haven't been on in a very long time, but that is my fault. I got my own creative space / studio, whatever. If you watch my previous, maybe my last my day in the life as a lash tech was like a couple months ago, you'll see like I literally like manifested to life. So I've been busy with that. I am gonna do like a little tour for you guys whenever I have time, but the thing is I just don't be having time. But today I have a special vlog for you guys because I am in, if you could guess by my bonnet, Jamaica. No, I did not get this bonnet just for Jamaica. I already had this bonnet. I am Jamaican myself. So I'm in an Airbnb right now in Ocho Rios. The reason I didn't go to a resort is because the place I picked in Ocho Rios is a good spot for, like, I didn't want us to be bound to a hotel, and the spot I picked, it is very close to every activity you could even think about doing, planning on doing, like, is that close. Let me show you guys the Airbnb, since we already been here for we already was here since yesterday afternoon. Like, the Airbnb is not like the sharpest because we settled down in there already. So I'm gonna just show you guys. So this is the front door, keypad, whatever. As soon as you go in, this is the view you see. This is the bathroom. And this is so funny because, like, this is what I see looking in front of me, and the mirror's all the way up here. Like, that's how far I gotta put it up. So this won't be the mirror I'm gonna be doing everything in. I'm gonna show you the mirror. These are just some travel size stuff: toothbrush, my phone, towels. I guess I've already been here, so then bathroom. Come out the bedroom. I'll show you guys the bedroom later. This is the living room area. It's really nice. That's just my suitcase in the way. It's really nice. TV. And this is the view from right here, the bathroom and the door. And then there's this like thing. This is gonna be the mirror that I do all my hair and my makeup in, because this is the only one I can see in, really. Then this is the kitchen. You have the fridge, microwave, stove, knife set, garbage, and they literally have a damn Keurig with a damn, this is the froster, right? This is what you make cold foam in. And then you got some pots, tea, sink. Yeah. The only reason why I won't be using this Keurig, unfortunately, because I would love to use this Keurig, you guys, they have a Jamaican Starbucks that we will be going to. Like, it's literally walking distance. Like, I chose this place because it has so much walking distance that you could just walk. Like, they probably don't even have a Starbucks on the in the resort and everything. And we get out here. There's like the best part. And the cruise is coming. Well, they're not. So then now people can go to like Dunn's River and stuff. Jamaican. So cute. Hi you guys, I don't even know if I look dark right now, but we're at the beach. We've been at the beach for a good amount of time. See, I don't know if you guys can see Alexander, but I'm pretty sure you guys do because he's pretty white. I don't know. Anyway, so we went to the Jamaican Starbucks. I don't know if I made a clip about that. I'm gonna show you guys the mug I got there because it's super cute. And then they also had a Pandora down there, a Pandora store, and I got me a Pandora charm. I'll show you guys. Don't know if you guys can even see it. Let me just turn around. So cute. So cute. Alright, now I know you guys can see. But this is the, and then that's the ship. I think I got a little tan. Oh, I think I could see it in this camera. But yeah, when I get back, I'm gonna tell you guys the Airbnb I stayed in, all the stuff that you guys are gonna see in this video. It's kind of like walking distance. So yeah, and I'm staying in Ocho Rios, so most of the attractions you guys are gonna wanna do is less than 10 minutes away. So, and they do some of the water stuff on this same water, like they do like party boats and the parasailing and all that stuff. So the location I picked, I feel like is a very good location. You guys don't want to stay on the resort and just 2:13 p.m. So the day kind of, it feels long already because we've been up since like a long time. So well, I was gonna got up at 5. We went back to sleep and then fully woke up maybe like 9. I don't know what we're gonna do after this, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna come back because it's only 2 p.m. So I'll be back. Hey you guys, so I'm about to start my next day. Look at the tan. Crazy. This is the top I got on for today. It's really cute. It's from Fashion Nova. Whatever. I'm gonna show you guys how I style my hair, do the whole makeup thing. Since it's hot here, I don't trying to see how I can set this camera. Since it's hot here, I don't do too much makeup. But I got this new, ooh, it's just so pretty. I never used it yet. It's the bronzer, but like I'm already getting brown, so there's no point in that. I don't know what to set you guys on. If y'all can see how I set this up right now, but anyway, I'm gonna be looking through this because the mirror is like all the way up there. But look how pretty this is. But I won't be using this for this trip because obviously it's too hot for all that. So I'm going to take some of my Edge Booster and I'm going to put this on my eyebrows. So what I do is I just take my nail just a little bit and I just like put some on my eyebrow. This is so hard to see out this little mirror right now. But I was not expecting the mirror to be all the way up there. I just put that on. Not so much. Then I have this NYX. It has like the air thing in this bathroom. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear it, so I mind that. Don't mind that. I have this NYX micro brow pencil in the color Espresso, but I'm taking this brush that's on it, the spoolie on it, and I'm gonna bring my eyebrows all the way up. Scarf is kind of in the way. I'm bringing it all the way up. And then smooth out the top. And do the next one. Light strokes on my, maybe should I zoom in for you? That looks nice. I'm just gonna do some light strokes in between. My eyebrows don't need that much filling, but I don't know, y'all, what I be doing. I be doing anything. So after I do the eyebrow, I'm just gonna put some sunscreen all over my face, because if you look, I can't wait to look back, because I bet in this clip and the last clip, like, I'm probably like so much darker already. I tan like very, very, very easily, which is crazy. I'm just want some sunscreen. So I guess this is like my vacation makeup, I guess. But the thing is, like, when I went to Mexico for my birthday, I could wear like way more makeup than I am gonna put on now. Like I could do the whole do my whole face, like concealer, makeup, bronzer, blush. Like in Mexico, I could have did the whole thing. Over here in Jamaica is absolutely no. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Milani 2-in-1 foundation concealer in the shade 09 Tan. And what I'm going to do is I'm literally going to put a little tiny dot. A little tiny dot. Like, I'm not even joking. Just a little. Like that. And I'm going to just, like, literally put. You guys see the little dot? Literally, that's it. I'm gonna just keep this on my finger just in case. I'm gonna take a beauty blender and just dance it. I usually don't even use a beauty blender, but I'm more of like a brush girl. But usually I go with a brush and then do the beauty blender like after to make it sure it's all smooth out. But I'm not doing that this time. Like, I feel like I can see the difference. You see how dark and then like dark, yeah. So that's basically all I'm doing. Just trying to get like the dark. So whoever could be in Jamaica with a full face of makeup, I give it to me. My Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder in the shade 25 medium. And I'm going to take this Morphe M449 brush, and I'm just going to put that basically just over what I just did. Basically. And I'm literally only putting it on the part that I just used. Lip gloss, so I'm going to. This is just a regular like beauty supply store lip liner. And I'm just gonna outline my lip. This is like synthetic, because this is not like a long lasting hairstyle. Like, it was just for the trip, so like an easy thing. I'm gonna braid it. Since it's synthetic, I really don't know if I should add water to this because it's like the synthetic weave. I'm gonna unbraid it, but I feel like when I braid it, it gives it more curl. Does that make sense? And one thing I have to remember for next time, I'm not gonna get any charms on my nails because when I tell you, my charms keep getting tangled in my hair. Look, and so then I put some of the mousse in this bottle that I would usually put for like lash shampoo, like the foamy mousse, and I put liquid in here in this travel size thing and put it here because obviously you can't bring that whole bottle down here. Well, I don't think you could. I think it looks good. I mean, it's good. You can tell that the curls is definitely dropping since I first got here. Alright. It looks so cute. But yeah, see you guys on next time. Now we're at a restaurant to get breakfast. Oh. Yeah.
Crash.
The quality.
Get this to the water.
Is this the water? You can go in the water too?
Oh no, I have to put it away in a locker or something. Guys, we're at Dunn's River Bar.
Walk off the side.
We didn't walk all the way.
Like before there, we stopped.